In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a PDF into Canva. Let's go step by step for a seamless experience. First, you'll want to navigate over to Canva's website. Just open your favorite web browser and type in canva.com. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not, just hit the login button and enter your credentials. Now that you're in Canva, the next thing you want to do is find the Projects section. Normally, this option is right there on the Canva home screen. Clicking on Projects will take you to a different area where you'll be able to manage all your designs. This is where we're going to start importing the PDF. Inside the Projects section, take a look around for a plus icon. This icon is your go-to when you're starting a new project or when you want to add something, like in our case, a PDF. Once you click on it, you'll see an option that says Import. This is exactly what you need right now to get your PDF into Canva. After clicking Import, Canva should prompt you to locate the PDF file on your computer. This will usually open a dialog box that lets you navigate through your local folders. If you know precisely where your PDF is stored, go ahead and head over to that folder. Once you've navigated to the correct folder, just click on it to open. Here you should find your PDF file. Go ahead and select the PDF that you want to import. It's really that easy. Just a single click and you're ready for the final step. The very last thing you'll need to do is hit Import again, and voila, your PDF should start uploading into Canva. It might take a few seconds to process depending on your internet speed and the file size, but once it's done, you'll see your PDF laid out in Canva, ready to be edited or designed upon. And that wraps up our process. If everything went smoothly, your PDF should now be imported into Canva, ready for you to create and customize to your heart's content. This feature is particularly useful if you need to edit a PDF that someone else created, or if you want to add some design flair to a document you previously made. Thanks for following along, and I hope this helped streamline your design process with Canva.